Hello, today peeps, we're going to be doing unboxing the m41gl. There's 3 different types of this gun. The first one is which one I've got, the m41g, the m41l, or the m41gl++. So let's have a look what we got in the box. So when you open the box, you'll find all of this in there. So you got the arm stock. That's pretty heavier than I thought it would be. If you're going to get a gun for your first beginner, I would definitely get this gun because it's great. So put that out of the way. You have a decent mag. Pull it back. And all that. That's good. And some like fake live rounds in there. You have the best part of this. Best part of it, the barrel that goes on the gun. It is great. Honestly, there's 3 different styles you can do it as, and I'll show you in a minute. Next thing you've got is the scope, and it actually turns on, if you can see down there. Great. I think there's 3 different, 2 different brightnesses, one low and one high. Probably just wasted all my battery. Forgot to turn it off. You got the nozzle bit that goes on the end